Hey, KW Arizona, it's David here, and I'm excited to introduce you to one of our newest partners. In fact, a partner in a space that we've never actually had a reliable go-to, and that is Rocky Mountain Restoration. I'm here with Logan, our account manager, and I want you to tell us a little bit about Rocky Mountain Restoration.
Absolutely. So Rocky Mountain Restoration has been a team for about 16 years. We service the whole valley, all the way from Flagstaff all the way down to Tucson. We have about 40 vans driving around every single day. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it.
What sets Rocky Mountain Restoration apart from your other restoration companies here in Arizona?
Yeah, ultimately, the biggest thing that we strive for is the professional look. We have a model for us called the Clean Guys look. So shirt tucked in, nice shoes, shoe covers, anything else, floor protection in the homes, anything that really sets us apart. All of our equipment comes into the home wrapped, showing that it's been sanitized, disinfected, and everything. And then communication.
So what you're saying is I wouldn't even make the cut right now.
No, we need a belt. We need some nice shoes. Oh, the shoes are nice.
That's pretty much I love to hear it. So maybe tell my agents a little bit about when would they reach out to you? Like, in what circumstances?
Really, Rocky Mountain Restoration handles everything: fire losses, trauma losses, asbestos, mold, anything that's going on inside of a home. Even if the client is concerned about something, we can still at least come out and do our free assessment to take a look at the job, see if there's anything that even needs to be done on it. And then from there, go out there and provide our best service that we can.
So if a buyer is purchasing a home and the inspection report comes back with mold on it, and they just want a second opinion on what that means and the corrective action to take, that would be a circumstance where they could reach out.
Absolutely. We would do our own assessment, see exactly what is needed for the project, and then almost create the same exact thing, seeing if it's aligned with the other reports that were stated in there.
Awesome. Logan, my agents are going to want to get connected. They're going to want to use you guys as a resource. So how do they get connected with you?
So you can call our 24-hour emergency hotline for any sort of jobs. If there's any questions regarding to see if it's something that we would do, you can reach out to me directly, and then I can get the job dispatched out if possible.
Awesome. We are so excited to be partnered with a reliable, trustworthy restoration company that services the vast majority of the state and all of the client areas that you service. And so reach out to Logan and Rocky Mountain Restoration today. Get to know them so that you have another reliable resource in your toolbox to serve your clients.